ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Meghalaya SSA School Association kala penpau ya kajing sengau lingo halor kajing bempat pelai satyai jong ka sarkar jilna ya ka tulop syang ki khat 8000 sanspa asapu wengut kinong hikai school SSA jong kani ka jilna Meghalaya wan hadin ba ka sarkar pedeng kala dat pelai nado ka shipotrik jong ni benai naiwing 8000 arpuwei ya ka bha pisa ka basan phukhandai kilor tingka ban seu shwa tang na ka benta arbanai ya ka tulop jong kinong hikai school SSA Haka jingya keren bat kilat pathai khubor haka arpulai terik ubnai naiwing 8000 arpuwei u presiden jong kaseng uba Aristotle Rambai ula penpau ya kajing sengau lengo babalai ka sarkar jilla kadang yai penslem ban seuno ya ka tulop wat haba ka sarkar pedeng kala de pelat ya ka pisa ka basan phukhandai kelur sha ka sarkar Meghalaya Haka jo ko por uniu nongelam jong ki nongikai school SSA ula dawaru ya ka sarkar jilla bakadai ban pelat no ya ka pisa ka bashispa asau kelur tingka bala pensa ateng mentala laisnem kenti baka sarkar jilla kadai ban bha shaka office jong state project director kabalong shibenta ban bay ya ka jing seu tulop shakinong hikai SSA kabalong shi 4% nalor ka bha bala ai da ka sarkar pedeng kabalong khandai 4%
The Honorable Chief Minister mentioned that till today they have not received any letter from the central government regarding regularization of SSA teachers. Okay, so I just want to clarify today. We have taken up this issue since 2016. Okay, since the previous government, and in 2016 we have met the Honorable Union Minister Sir Prakash Javadekar on November 2016 in New Delhi. And we have submitted a memorandum to him. So in response to our memorandum, the Ministry of Human Resource Development, okay, Government of India, which presently known as Ministry of Education, on 3rd February 2017, the Under Secretary to the Government of India, Manjit Kumar, have sent a letter to the Principal Secretary, Education Department, Government of Meghalaya, related to our demands, and in this letter it is clearly mentioned here. It is requested to look into the matter and furnish a report on the matter to this department as the matter related to service condition of teachers, their appointment, conduct of teachers training, construction of the school extra comes under the preview of the state government. It is requested to take up the matter with the appropriate authority for resolving issues mentioned in the representation, and this letter was sent to the Principal Secretary Education Department on 3rd February 2017. Added to this, again, we have written to the Ministry on 1st May 2019 on the same subject, that is for creation of posts and shifting of all the 12,541 SSA teachers from State Implementation Society to State Education Department on regular basis as per provision of SSA RTE norms. So this letter we have sent to the Secretary of Ministry of Education, Government of India on 1st May 2019. And the Ministry of Education, in response to our letter on 20th October 2020, again the Under Secretary to the Government of India, Sir Tejpal Singh, have sent a letter to the State Project Director, Sir Ambrose C.H. Marag, related to our demands. And in this letter, he is clearly mentioned here, the matter is pertaining to the state of Meghalaya. It is requested to take an appropriate action in this regard and inform the action taken to the applicant directly under intimation to this ministry at the earliest. Added to this, after receiving this letter, the Sir Ambrose Marag, the State Project Director, on 7 December 2020, he sent a letter to the Special Officer to the Government of Meghalaya Education Department, and in this letter he is clearly mentioned here that with reference to the subject cited above, I have the honor to enclose herewith a copy of the letter dated 20th October 2020 along with a copy of letter MSSA MHRD Diesel 2019-20-01 dated 1st May 2019 received from the Under Secretary to the Government of India Ministry of Education, Department of School Education and Literacy, New Delhi. The letter is about creation all posts of teachers under Samagra Shiksha in State Education Department and is a matter of policy decision of the government. This is for your information and necessary action. So added to this again from the director office, he again sent another letter. He again sent another letter on February 2021, and in this letter also it is a reminder to the letter sent on 7 December 2021, and again in this letter he again stated that it is a policy matter of the state government, and the state project director requests the state government to take a policy decision. So based on this fact and figures, based on this letter we received from the Ministry of Education, Government of India, and also based on the letter sent by the State Project Director to the Education Department, which a copy of it was also forwarded to the Chief Minister. We from the association side also we have submitted a representation to him attached with all these documents. So it is very surprised to see that the Honorable Chief Minister made such a statement which is a misrepresentation and a misguiding to all the SSA teachers in the state and also to the citizen of our state of Meghalaya. His statement, it shows that he is trying to divert, he's trying to divert the responsibility that the state government has to be taken, and he's divert this responsibility to the central government, even though he is aware of this norm. I think the Chief Minister is aware of this norm. If he is not aware of this norm, then as a Chief Minister, as the head of the state, before making any statement, at least he should study all the facts and figure, because everything which comes from him, according to us, it is a final decision of the government, because it is a statement come from the Honorable Chief Minister. So we request the Chief Minister, before making any statement, please study the rules and norms what that says. Number two, we from the association, we demand from the Chief Minister, in order to cement his stand, that he have not received any letter from the central government, so on and so forth. Added to that, he's mentioned that it is not the duty of the state government to regularize the service of SSA teachers. If there is any instruction from the central government to regularize the SSA teachers at the national level, then the state will move forward. So we demand from the Chief Minister to come out with facts and figure in hard paper, not but just saying in through press or media. We demand from the Chief Minister to come out with facts and figure. Let him justify his stand that there is no such rule which stated that teachers are under the domains of the state government. So that is point number one. Point number two, regarding the salary matters. The Honorable Chief Minister, he mentioned that SSA program is a flagship program where the funding pattern is 90:10. That is 90 is to be borne by the central government and 10% is to be borne by the state government. Yes, we accept. This is true. This is a fact that 90% is to be borne by the central government, 10% is to be borne by the state government. But when we comes to the matter of salary, added to this funding pattern 90:10, there are certain norms which state needs to be followed. Especially after the implementation of Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan in 2018, when the three national flagship program, the government of India merged them together, that is SSA, RMSA and Teachers Education. They merged them together and give the name by Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan. So in 2018, after this new scheme implemented, that is Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan, when it comes to the matter related to the salary of teachers, it is clearly mentioned that the financial support from the central government will be 15,000 per teachers per month for lower primary and 20,000 per teachers per month for upper primary. This will be the financial support from the central government. And the additional amount, okay, and the additional amount for payment of SSA teachers are to be borne by the respective state's government from their own budget, okay, or from their state budget. It is clearly mentioned in the norm. So what happens in our state of Meghalaya? As we all know, our salary is rupees 19,044 for lower primary and rupees 20,493 for upper primary teachers. So the financial support they got from the central government for lower primary is only 15,000, okay, and the remaining around 4,000 approximate they have to bond from the state government. And if we calculate this amount annually, the state government have to bond 28 crores approximate only for lower primary teachers for payment of SSA teachers, apart of that 15,000 which they get as a financial support from the central government. When it comes to the upper primary teachers, in our state of Meghalaya, our salary is rupees 20,493. Financial support we get from the central government is 20,000. So the state have to bond the additional amount of 493. So annually this amount comes to 3 crores approximate. Okay, annually this is the state have to be bond for the upper primary teachers. And it makes us very surprised to learn that the state government, okay, the state government for the last 3 years, they have not released this fund to the State Implementation Society or to the SPD office. Till today, they have not released this fund for the last 3 years. And if we calculate this fund for the last 3 years, it comes to around 104 crores approximate. 104 crores. Okay. So we have also suggest the state government through the state project director. On 16 November, we have met the state project director and we have suggest from our side that at present the fund is still lying in the account of the state government amounting 104 crores. So why the state government not releasing that amount so that the state project director office will be in a position to release all our 5 months salary in one go? Because they have received a first installment amounting 59 crores, okay, as informed by the Honorable Education Minister and also by the State Project Director on 10th November 2021. They informed that they have received 59 crores, okay. So if we add this 59 crores and that 104 crores, it will be sufficient to pay our salary in one go for 5 months. So the question we want to raise from the association side is why the government is not releasing that 104 crores. What is there behind that the government is not releasing this amount for the last 3 years? This is the high time for the government. If they really want to solve our problems, this is the high time for the government to release that 104 crores, which is pending for the last 3 years. So in the last GEC, we have also taken a resolution that we strongly demand from the state government to release that 104 crores to the State Project Director Office so that the State Project Director Office will be in a position to clear all our 5 months salary in one go. Number 2, after the extension of the Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs, this committee was chaired by the Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi, okay. On 4 August 2021, they have given an approval for extension of this Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan scheme for another 5 years, which will be effective from 1st April 2021 till 31st March 2026. So, as per the approval for extension of this norm, certain programmatic and financial norms related to payment of SSA teachers' salary have been changed. Okay, so in this new approval, the financial support for payment of SSA teachers will not be as per sanction post. Okay, will not be as per sanction post, but it will be just a lump sum grant. Just a lump sum grant, and that amount which they have fixed in 2018, that 15,000 for LP, 20,000 for UP, that's also will not be there. Okay. From 1st April 2021 onwards, it will be just a lump sum grant, the financial support for payment of SSA teacher's salary, and it is clearly mentioned in that revised programmatic and financial norm. It is clearly mentioned the additional amount are to be borne by the respective state's government. So the question here arises is why the Honorable Chief Minister keep on saying that it is not the duty of the state government to pay this salary. They have to wait for the central government, where the norm clearly mentioned that it will be just a lump sum grant. The additional amount are to be borne by the state government. Okay. Now, number 3, as claimed by the Honorable Chief Minister that around 70%, okay, 70% states across the country have not paid the salary of the SSA teachers. So we from the association side, we tried to collect the information, especially from northeastern states, and we came to learn that all the northeastern states except Meghalaya have paid the salary of the SSA teachers till October. They have not received the first installment from the government of India, but they pay the salary of the SSA teachers by taking the fund from the state budget. So the question arises here, why in Meghalaya the state government are not doing the same? Okay, are not doing the same. If there is a side example from other state that they are not getting salary, we from the association, we request the state government to kindly follow the positive examples also which other states follow. Okay, because in other state they have already paid the salary of SSA teachers till October, especially in northeastern states. So the claim of the Chief Minister that most of the states in the country have not received the salary, this is also a wrong statement made by the Honorable Chief Minister. Hagbang ilaong bangin aipor ya state government ban penulong ya kini kijing dawa jengi hapo ateo. Okay. Parkani kajing bukpo jengi kan kut hakalai pelterik jom 9 November this year. Te hadin jong kalai pelterik jom 9 November radang yo kanu ka positive response akaliang jong state government kumbang ilarai tingin approach ya Meghalaya High Court na bentaban yo ya ko. Teskan dia ngarang kuaban hang nimo. Kumba kalong menta haka kapitrik jong 9 November ngalayo ban yekren yo secretary jong education sa Ambrose Mara ile itu ba iong ba hakani tayo ba adep kin pelaj ya kasalari jong 2 months ndai tangata khandri tarik jong 9 November ngalayo ban yekendo awan ini ilayo ikendo yekren specific ya kasalari bet mo ti long ba by Friday last Friday kamut kin release no support district till today this one have not reached the district office. So again, we want to put question. Sa ko ngi ko abing ban bu kajing kiliya ka state government. Balay ti pi talk kaway hadin kaway hadin kaway. Da pilong serious si siya ka kam haba kapsa la awan 59 crores mentala ada kharars ngi kanik pisa ba kadon hapo account jong ka state. Kili ayu ti ya kanik pisa ba syubat sa hado kharars ngi. Ngi pat 6 month ngi sitong claim salary. Te kanero ngi dawa ba kidai ban pelai no marmar ya kan lem kumtang ni hapan perkata kung we ha ka bai dai batani ka jingpat sa juki kini ka phone bala long menta hadu kharas ngi lenter ba ka chune be hapo account jong ka state claim pa chapo account jong SPD.